What's the meaning of cracklings? Cracklings. Cracklings.
Cracklings. Cracklings. Cracklings refer to the crispy bits of fried or roasted meat that are left behind after the fat has been rendered out. These pieces are typically high in fat and have a crunchy texture. They are often used as a topping or flavoring in dishes, particularly in recipes that call for pork or chicken. Cracklings can add a savory, salty flavor and a satisfying crunch to a variety of dishes, from salads and soups to sandwiches and stews. Despite being delicious, it's important to consume cracklings in moderation due to their high fat content.